Small Web here, and today I'm going to make my grandmother's pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. This is a favorite of all of my family, and she used to make these all the time when I was younger. And what it is we got one large can of pumpkin. And just put that in here. Okay. I've preheated my oven to 375, and I've lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper. Okay. Set that aside. I have a cup of vegetable oil I'm going to pour in here. Make sure that's in there. 2 cups of sugar. And 2 eggs. I cracked them, put them in a bowl. Okay. And we're going to mix this up. Cream it together so everything's incorporated. This spoon here, okay. Now, since I've got this mixed up, I am going to take 4 cups of flour, dump it in there, mix it up best as I can. Then I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And right here I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda dissolved in 2 teaspoons of milk. Stir that up. Now I've got 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add in there. Mix with this thing. Okay. Then here's chocolate chips. You can use as many as you want. It doesn't matter. It's up to your liking. I will see what I've got here. I'm going to probably dump the whole bag in. And that's just a 2-cup bag. I'm going to mix these up. This makes about 72 cookies. If you get that many, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay, that's all mixed. My cookie sheet right here. All right, and we're gonna just take it like this and drop it on the pan. I could probably get 4 across. Have it just like this. We're going to put these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. We'll wait for those to bake and see how. And these are what they look like while they're baking in the oven. And we just got a few more minutes to go here. Alright, our cookies are almost done to be taken out of the oven. There we go. Ooh, there you go. Don't those look yummy? Now I'm going to let them sit in the pan for just a couple of seconds here because these are a soft cookie. And I'm going to put them on my cooling rack. And there we go. Just set them out there like this. Our cookies are done. And let these cool a bit. And I've moved some of them over to this platter here. I'm going to just move these over here. Let's try one and see how they came out, shall we? Yes, they are. They're just like my grandma used to make. And make sure you put them in an airtight container so they stay fresh. You all have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining me today. If you like my video, hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.